What's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. Most of the Android phones that I'm using are Xiaomi phones because they have the best value Android phones that you can get right now. But lately I got disappointed with their software, especially with the new MIUI 12.5 update. So here's why. The first reason is you can't use gestures in third-party launcher anymore. So most Android phones enthusiasts normally likes to customize their home screen, and mostly we prefer specific launchers. So with me, I've been loyal to Nova Launcher and I got the Prime Edition. And when I daily drive an Android phone, it's mandatory to have a Nova Launcher on it. Way back before this update, gestures work fine with Nova Launcher. But now, it won't work anymore unless you will use their own launcher, which is I'm hugely disappointed. The second reason is their inconsistency on apps on dark mode. I don't know why, but for some reason, some apps don't go in dark mode. And before I don't see it, but now it's more pronounced even with my Mi 90 Pro and my Redmi Note 10 Pro. The third reason is there are some lagginess and more drop frames. I noticed this issue affects only the old phones like my Mi 90 Pro and not the Redmi Note 10 Pro or the new phones. Don't get me wrong, and it's not that the phone is not usable, it's still usable and fast, but to compare it with the previous MIUI versions that I have, you can definitely feel the drop in performance and with some stutter and lagginess. So those are the three reasons that I highlighted that really affects my experience with this new MIUI 12.5 update. The battery performance are the same, there are more Gaussian blur that was added, and more animation that you will see if you use the stock launcher. They've added and optimized more super wallpapers, and they've added their own speed tests in their settings. But to be honest, I wish I didn't update my device and I highly don't recommend this MIUI version if you're using an old phones and if you're using a third-party launchers. And that could be the reason also why Xiaomi is trying to move on quickly from this MIUI version. And they're trying to work to release this year the MIUI 13. So for me, it's better to wait for that MIUI 13 and I wish this time it will be much better. So that's it for today and thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe and see you soon. Peace out.